This is Jay Ballenberger. I'm an instruction and reference librarian at Colorado Mesa University's Tomlinson Library. This is part 4 of Semester Study Prep, a Maverick Research Workshop. So in this last part, we're going to learn a few things and get some resources for mitigating stress and burnout. It's part 4, stress and burnout. I'd like to ask this question: how do you tend to manage your stress? That's a thing that's going to be very helpful for knowing, first of all, indicating that you are stressed out, and second of all, what can you do to change it? So I do a number of things. I like to take walks. I like to go on a hike. I like to just get out and get away and stop thinking about the things that are stressing me out. A lot of times it's needing to work on them that makes me stressed out. But here's the good thing, is just having good study habits. So what is a good study habit? For me, it means having a consistent time that you study. Find that 2 to 3 to 4 hour stretch in your schedule every day and try to make it as consistent as possible. If it can't be the exact days or times from day to day, at least it can be close or after certain classes, things like that, so that you will go to a class and you'll always go study, or you'll come to the library, work on your work before that class happens so that you can get off and do what you got to do after that. But basically, having consistent time is very important. Also, a consistent place is very important. So again, maybe challenge yourself to make a space in the library, and that could be just your space that you use and you're used to. What I think that happens is when you provide that space, you provide that time, you get used to doing that and get yourself into that mode of studying so much quicker when it's consistent. So much time can be spent in trying to kind of will ourselves into doing our work. A consistent time, a consistent place will just automatically allow you to say, okay, it's time for me to switch into work mode. I'm going to do that now. A huge thing is to meet your professors. At the beginning of the school year, I always tell people to go say hello, shake their hand, look them in the eye, tell them where you're from, let them know why you chose them to be in your class, or why you chose to be in their particular class. That is going to make a huge difference. As one of our faculty members, it says that you're trying to create community, and there's so much help that you can get from your professors and the other support staff on campus that they are the people that are going to be able to help you when things get stressful. So get to know your professors. Now, we have a number of resources on campus, and I will say that we're lucky to have all these. So this little link will take you out to CMU's mental health counseling page, and believe me, this is going to be the healthy thing to do. If you get to a point where your stress is not going away, if you get to a point where you're feeling depressed because you're overwhelmed and because of other things going on in your life, the healthy thing to do is to speak with a counselor. It can make such a huge difference and give you so many different ways to, again, mitigate that stress that's usually being caused by being overwhelmed with many different things in life. And college is a lot of work, and we go to college during other important times in our lives, and a lot of that stuff is going to act together to stress us out pretty immensely at times. So just know that we have a lot of ways that we can support you in those ways. We also have another service online called U-Lifeline, and it offers college mental health resources that are online. CMU has a specific instance of this through U-Lifeline. So again, take advantage of that. Those links will be available to you as well. We also have many different opportunities for understanding how to do research better throughout the semester. So if you see on here, this is our little list of events that are happening this semester. The gold ones are the research workshops that I will be leading. You can see we have another number of other events in there. This isn't even the full schedule. But just know that we do our best to provide you all with the kinds of research workshops and other help that you might need, whether it's meeting us at the library one-on-one, or coming to these workshops that are going to be a little bit more general based, but they can still give you insights to the concepts of how to do research. So that can be another way that you can kind of feel less intimidated by some of these big projects that you'll be having as well. If you need more help, the librarians are more than happy to help you, and we want to work with you. So you can see you can reach us via chat. You can reach us at the Research Help Desk to talk one-on-one and in person. You can call us at the numbers provided here, and texting us will actually go through that chat widget, or you can send us an email. We'll be happy to work with you that way. So know that you can get in touch with librarians. So again, talked a little bit about ways to manage and mitigate stress and burnout. So this was part 4 of our semester study prep, Maverick Research Workshop. My name is Jay Ballenberger. I'm an instruction and reference librarian at Colorado Mesa University Library, and hope you all have a great day. Thanks. Bye.